For our next example, we have 5 1/10 times 6. So let's think about this a couple different ways. How many tenths total are in 5 1/10? Well, I know that I could take these 5 ones and unbundle them and move them back to tenths. And when I do, that would give me a total of 50 tenths. And then I would still have this 1, so that would be 51 tenths. So let's suppose this problem is just 51 times 6. And let's work that out using the standard algorithm. So I'd multiply 6 times 1, which is 6. And then 6 times 5, which is 30. So I know my answer is going to contain these digits in this order. I just don't know where my decimal would go. So if I multiply 5 1/10 times 6, would it be reasonable to say the answer would be 306 ones? No. But we could say 306 tenths makes a little more sense. So if we had 51 tenths, which is the same thing as 5 1/10, and we multiplied by 6, that gives us 306 tenths. So where would our decimal need to be placed? So our decimal would go in between the 0 and the 6, which would give us 30 6 tenths. So if I have these digits, I can use multiplication and change them to whole numbers and use place value reasoning to figure out my answer.